Hello everyone, my name is Dipesh Karka. My student number is 2300167. So in this presentation, I'm going to explain about decision tree. What does it do and how to make and what are the conclusions of decision tree. So before learning about decision tree, here are a few things we need to learn. First thing is node. So a node is a basic structure of a data. So this node help us to manipulate data in such a way that we want. So why to make decision tree? Because it is very easy to understand. So it gives a straightforward visual representation of decision making process. So it is like used for classification and making many problems easier to solve. So here on the first picture where I have shown you my data sheet, this is Iris data sheet, and on second picture this is my interface of NIME software in which I'm going to make my decision tree. So let's get into another slide. Here I have used a CSV file. So at first I'll drag my CSV reader onto my NIME interface. We can just search it on right hand side of our interface. So this is very easy and we have to execute. So we have to browse the file and execute here. So this is my CSV reader and my file has been executed over here. So here on first picture, I have connected few nodes with CSV reader. On the first picture, I have connected my CSV reader to missing values, in which this node help us to remove all the data with missing values, so we can solve our problem or we can make decision tree properly. So on after that, I have connected that to partitioning on second picture. So what does partitioning do is it helps us to do the partition of our data in such a way that we can test our data. So in third picture, I have shown you the result of my partitioning. So it is 40% test and 60% train. On fourth picture, I have connected my data to decision tree learner and decision tree predictor. So decision tree learner and decision tree predictor help us to create our decision tree. So here I have added some other nodes like Scorer and Scalator Pro. So in this image, as we can see, my decision tree has been already made, and at last I have put on this node scatter plot which shows us the scatter in which our data is moving. So here are the conclusions. So while making our decision tree, so this gives us effective classification of our data. So in this Iris dataset, it distinguishes the Iris species on its features like sepal length, sepal width, and petal length and petal width. So it is very simple and interpretable. So it helps us to make our data clear in a such way that how decisions are made while manipulating that dataset. So it is very easy to understand. So in conclusion, this Iris dataset serves as a fundamental resources for understanding and applying machine learning algorithms. So here we follow step-by-step procedure by connecting all the nodes, like removing missing values and creating partitioning where we can test and train our data. So decision trees are very powerful and interpretable models that can be used for both classification and regression tasks. In this example, we used an Iris dataset to build our decision tree classifier and visualize the tree structure. I think this example will provide a clear understanding how decision tree work and how to use them in your machine learning projects. So you can use software like NIME, which I have used in this data processing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get some information with this video. Thank you.